On this review we're going to be testing out this smartphone 2-ax gimbal. We're going to get straight into it and straight away, without messing about, go straight for a walking test and a bit of a running test. I'm going to try it with this gimbal and then I'm going to turn the gimbal off and just use my phone handheld. A few points to add. One point, I've got a bit of a twisted knee at the moment, so I'm going to try to walk as smooth as possible, and running, it might be a very slow run, so this walking test is going to be quite short. The second point is my phone that I'm using is quite old, so if you've got a better phone, a more newer phone, you're going to get better quality images. I've turned the stabilisation also off on the phone, so some of these phones have built-in stabilisation. I've turned that off. I've turned that stabilisation off, so we're just going to test it how it is. I'm just going to walk down the road, walk back, we'll do that, put that comparison up, because that's the most important point, so I thought I'd put it up right at the start of this video, and then we'll come back and we'll test this gimbal and look at it in a bit more detail. This was sent to me from the company for a review, the Smooth X, sent to me for review. It was a free, they sent me free, but it's not a paid video. Also, this is £60 on Amazon. It's a really well priced smartphone gimbal. It's a really well priced smartphone gimbal. £60 on Amazon or £70 with a combo kit. Let's go straight away for that walking and quick running test, and then we'll come back and we'll have a look at it in some more detail. Let's go for a walk. Right, walking test. Gimbal is on. I've got it extended a little way. Cars going past, it is a little bit windy, so we are now walking just with the gimbal. Now I do a real little jog, slight jog. Jogging with the gimbal. That's going to be enough because of that knee. Let's take the phone out of the gimbal and do this test again. Right, so now there's no gimbal, the gimbal is actually here. What I'm going to do, I'm just walking as normal. There's no stabilisation on the camera. I'm trying to keep this as steady as possible. There's a bit more light because I'm going the other way. So now we're just walking with a gimbal. And now I go again for a slight jog. I am trying to keep that as still as possible. Let's change hands. I think with the jogging, you're going to notice it more. The thing, I just can't. There's no way I can jog and keep my arms straight. That's almost impossible. So it'd be good to go back and see them results. But you've probably already seen them, so it's up to you. Is it better or not? Oh, I'm going to cut this corner, get back to my house quicker. That saved me for 5-6 seconds. Also, I really love actually how compact and small this is. Literally normal size pocket in there. Gone. Sent to me from ZHIYUN. I believe they're called ZHIYUN. I've never been the best at pronouncing companies' names, but I think it's ZHIYUN. ZHIYUN. This is the Smooth X. Thank you very much. They sent me out to test, to review, basically, to have a play with, and here it is here. This is this gimbal. It's a 2-ax gimbal. So it'll basically do this, it'll do this, but it won't do this. Let's have a look first of all what you're going to get in the box. So inside you're going to get this kind of hard soft box. There's everything you're going to get inside. You're going to get your tripod stand. You're going to get the gimbal itself, Type-C charging cable and the instruction manuals. Everything right there. Well, you've seen what you're going to get in the box. Let's go over the build quality. The build quality of this is actually really nice. It's made really lightweight. This is the combo kit. So with the combo kit you get this really nice case, really nice firm but soft case that holds everything in. And you get this little tripod bit at the bottom, this little stand so you can stand it up. Build quality is good, but it is all plastic. It's all plastic, it's lightweight, but it does feel nice. It does feel nice, it feels light to use, it's easy to use. You need to use their app now. So you download the app, it's free on the Android and the Apple Store. Download the app, turn your Bluetooth on your phone and turn your gimbal on. Let it all sync up. It's really seamless. I was surprised actually how good and easy and how quick the app linked up. Some of these gimbals and these apps I've had before from companies, they don't work. They link up, they kind of link up, then they drop signal. This just works perfect. The phone will connect to this all via Bluetooth. On the control pad of this, you've got your up down, you've got your little joystick there, you've got the M button. So the M button will reset it back to normal like that, and if you tilt it, it does that, and if you press it again, now you can spin the bottom without the top part moving. You've got your record button right there, and you've got a zoom. So there you controls, as simple as that, and you've obviously got your on and off, and it's USB type C charging. This comes with obviously a built-in battery, USB type charging. We've got the little thread at the bottom so you can attach it to any sort of gimbal mount thing you've got. This has got some built-in modes. So it's got some built-in modes, like built-in filters where it'll do it for you. So let's just go to this discovery one. You click apply. I've just got it set up there. You've got a bit of a tutorial, but you just press start and it will literally do a few little scenes for you. You get to preview each scene and you just go to next, start the next one up, because you can start it in different areas, different locations, and it's panning around and it's making a tiny little movie for you. And once you're done with it, you can save it to your phone and do what you like with it. I've also got pano, where it'll take an automatic 180-degree pano shot. So let's do that now. So it goes, it's going to spin, it's going to start it there, and it's going to take, I think it takes 7 pictures of 180 degrees, so you get a nice 180-degree image. Got time lapse built into the app, and we've got hyperlapse. So let's have a real quick videos of the time lapse and the hyperlapse going up now. And we can also do face tracking that we're going to test out, the face tracking right now. So with the face tracking, you've got to do a gesture to it. You put your hand up like that, like a high five. It will do this, as you can see on screen, and then it's going to follow you where you move. I did try tricking it. I was going down low, trying to lose myself really on the screen. I was really putting it through its tests here, and then I hid behind the I hid behind that sofa in a second. I'm really trying to push it. This is the footage from the camera now. And there I am, I'm hiding there, and it's finding me. It's remembering where I'm going, and it's finding me. So the tracking works well. So my phone's it's quite an old phone actually. I've just not upgraded it for a long time. It's a Samsung S8, and that fits in there absolutely perfect. You have your camera on the left hand side. That's just where it goes. The camera goes on the left hand side. I've tried it on the right hand side, and the app that they provide with you, everything's upside down, so it needs to go the other way around. Also, I've tried just with my normal built-in phone camera, and it all works. It all works. The stabilization and everything works just with the built-in phone camera. Like I said, really well designed, and it's got this. So if we press that there, so it all sets back, you've got this extendable. It's a gimbal with an extendable. Look at this. Look how far and the distance you can get, and the top bit even pivots, so you can have it like that. So you can get some of like the world's greatest, smoothest selfies right there. Look at that. It's like a selfie stick, but it's got stabilisation built in. This will come in handy for all sorts of crazy shoots that you wouldn't be able to get just holding your phone. First of all, you can't extend your phone like that unless you've got a selfie stick. And second, you can get down and you can get some low panning shots through the grass, you can do all sorts. You can do all sorts. I'm going to put some clips up. I'm going to go out in a second, put some clips up of stuff this could do, and it's stabilising your footage. So here's just some shots of me just chasing the cats up and down the garden, messing around with them. There's so many cats, and there's just some smooth footage there across the grass. And I think this will go this side will go all the way upside down. And another thing I really like about this is the price. On Amazon, I'm just brought up literally right there. You can get the combo kit that I've got, where you get the tripod, you get the case and etc. That's £70. £70 for all that. If you don't want the combo kit, take a tenner off. You get it for about 60 quid without the little tripod part and without the case. And that's right there for 60 quid. 60 quid without the combo kit. 70 quid with a combo kit. That's a reasonable price for a really light, easy to use, well made smartphone gimbal with extended rod. This part's nice though. This part feels of a metal. This part is of a metal. The rest of it is plastically built. There's a few little things that I kind of wish was made better. On the tripod itself, when that's up, it's not the most stable. So for being a gimbal and everything, when this tripod, I wish this tripod here at the bottom was a bit well built. It's got some little rubber pads at the bottom, but when it's standing up, it can be a little bit wobbly like that, especially where you think. So if you push that all the way down, you will get extra support. So it's best having it like that all the way down. Look at that balance there, instead of having it like, I've had tripods before where you can just open them a little bit to get a bit more height. This one, it's not that stable, so you need that all the way flat down like that. Second thing as well, that's, it's a bit, when you get used to it, it's fine, but it's the folding it out and the putting it back, etc. So if we turn this off now, if I remove my phone, just remove my phone here, what you've got to do to put this away, we'll take this bit off. To put this away, this part folds down, and then you need to extend this part, spin it round, I think it's that way, put that there, and then it closes down. It's nice that it closes down into a small compact package. However, you have to do that, then 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 do that. When you get used to it, it's totally fine. It's just the getting used to it. Thinking, what's this? What am I doing here? Like that. It's taking me seconds now because I've used it a few times, but yeah, it just feels a bit awkward, that taking it apart. But it feels robust. I don't feel like when I'm doing this, and I ain't being the most gentle, I don't feel like I'm going to break anything. Now I forgot how to do it. Like that, like that, like that. So you get used to it. The design of it looks pretty nice. You've got an X there. You've got your mounting pod for a load of things there, your little thread. And if we do this, we can extend this, do this again. And on this side, we've got a micro USB charging port there. It says Smooth X, and on this side, we've got turning it on. So you just need to hold the button. Them lights will light up. When they get to the top, stop, you're done. That is on, that's ready to go. And you've got this sort of rubberized part there that just adds a little bit of, and it's just a nice finish. Also, the buttons I would have liked made a little bit better. If you listen to this, the buttons could have been made a little bit better. They have a bit rattly inside their little casings. But apart from that, apart from them few little things that actually ain't that bad, it's well priced. It's extremely well priced. I think 70 quid. I will put the links below for Amazon. 70 quid or 60 quid without a combo kit, and you're getting yourself a decent little, really light, easy portable, easy to use, portable gimbal right there for your smartphone. And it will take a range of different sizes smartphones, because this part, which I like this part, it goes to that wide. So unless your phone's wider than that, you're not going to have any trouble. Right, to sum this gimbal up, this is a really brilliantly priced gimbal. For the kit, like for the £70 kit, like I said, the links will be below, just straight to Amazon. For the £70 kit, you get the case and everything. Personally, I would skip the combo kit. You're only getting a case and one of these stands. I don't think you really need it unless you really need a stand. But I would go for the £60 kit, and then for the £60 kit, you are getting that, which is a really good 2-axe gimbal. I've used 2-axe gimbals before, and I've used 3-axe gimbals before. 2-axe is perfectly fine for just doing your daily stuff, if you want to do some vlogs and stuff like that, and some filming to get some decent shots. Remember, my phone's really had it, so some of the images you saw from my phone ain't going to be that good because my phone's really old. But if you've got an iPhone or a newer sort of Android phone, you're going to get some really good smooth shots. So it's well priced, easy, portable. Look at that, it's like nothing. It's literally probably the size of that. It's the size of that. Thank you to the company for sending me. This is not a paid review, but I did receive this product for free of charge to test and have a play with, which I did. You lot take care. I'll see you on the next video.